have you ever thought about, doing a call centre or wearing the headphones that call centres wear? Well, this is one of them. These are not very expensive. They're quite cheap actually, but not too cheap. They have noise cancellation built in. Apparently they're supposed to be extremely comfortable, and they only have one earpiece. So you can hear someone moaning at you from the other side. Yes. Oh, it comes with a spare ear pad. Just noticed that. See that? Yeah, it's supposed to be extremely comfortable because obviously, when you're in them call centres, you do wear them for a long period of time, don't you? And as always, I will stick a link in the video description. And these were sent to me. These are the, what are they called? ARAMA Model Model A800. And at the time of making this video, I don't know how much they cost, but I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to buy one. And a thank you card there. Instructions in there. There's nothing really to look around on the box, so I didn't do nothing except for a picture at the front or on the top. And we had the 3.5mm jack version. So they're not USB. They're USB or jack plug. I've got the jack plug version. Right. Yeah, you can get them in USB. What's it say here? It says SYC 2.5 and 3.5mm. So, perfect for if you've got a phone with a jack plug connection. It should be just perfect. It should just work, and it will recognise, looking at that, it will recognise your phone, or your phone will recognise that this is a headset and a microphone. So you can plug it into your actual phone if you have a 3.5mm jack plug connection. Instructions, thought I'd better point that out. Spare ear muffler for when you get a little bit sweaty and you want to wash the other one. First impressions, wasn't expecting it to be fantastic, but it looks okay. So we have, I'm guessing that's a mute button. Yeah, volume control on the side. It's all made of plastic, or virtually all made of plastic. It's got some sort of filter on there. That must be for the anti-noise cancellation. Oh, I like the way it's done that cabling, or the wraparound. That's quite different. That's quite nice, that. Very nice. Yes. Like I said, first impressions, wasn't expecting it to be fantastic, but it should just work. And I made a mess on my desk. Get off. So that should just come off like that, which it does. So you can just replace it. And I'm guessing, I could be wrong here, I'm guessing it can go on left or right. I'm guessing. I could be, like I said, could be totally wrong. I think it does. Oh, it does, look. Yeah, so left or right ear. It's entirely up to you. In case someone says, well, what ear can you plug it into? Well, you can all connect it to. You know what I mean? You can do it in either ear. So me personally, I probably want it on the left. Like that. Have a go. Oh, it's well adjustable. Hang on. Goes like that, doesn't it? So be something like that. Oh, that's pretty good. Don't get a spare one. So, yeah. Never worn one of these before, but first impressions, yeah, not bad. It's got a little clicking sound. Oh, hang on, have a listen. Yeah? Huh. Not sure what that's for, that little hole now. Oh, there's two little holes. That could be the actual oh no, that's the microphone. Yeah, don't really know what that's for, but as long as it works, it does the job, who cares? So I will have a quick measure up of the length of the cable, because there'll be someone out there who says, "Oh, you okay? How long is the cable?" And I'm going to, oh, I don't know. But yeah, easy to adjust. Feels comfortable. Let's have a quick measure up and I will do a test on it and see if it actually is plug and play. I would have thought it would be actually, but you never know. For all those who don't have a jack plug connection, I have a solution. If you have a Type C connection and not a jack plug connection, you can buy this little adapter. This has a jack plug connection on one end and a type C connection on the other end. So all you do is plug your headphones in one end, like so, and then the other end, plug it into your type C connection on your phone. Job done. And then all you need to do is open up your recorder, voice recorder, yeah, press play, and away you go. So let's have a listen to the audio from this microphone right now. Or, you know, when I press play, that is. And look, you can see the bar going up, so it shows you when you're recording. I think you can see that. So, hello, madam. Hello, sir. How can I help you today? You have a problem? Don't we all? It's just one of those days, isn't it? That was about a week ago that I actually done that recording, and I'm still using it right now, as you can hear, obviously. And, you know, just to show you the actual scoreboard going up. Yeah, I am still using it because I wanted to give it a proper trial, and I thought, give it at least a week, see how I get on with it. It is quite comfortable, actually. It's surprisingly how comfortable it is, considering, you know, that's a bit of plastic there with a little bit of padding. I thought, well, it might hurt after a while, but it doesn't. Yeah, very pleased so far. And also, I wanted to see how good it was, you know, getting rid of noise, because I've got my aircon running. It's about 38, 39 degrees outside, and I thought, good test. We can test it with the aircon running. Yeah, aircon's running, computer's running, and my server's running. That's not too noisy, actually. It's quite a quiet server, that one. Yeah, so I thought, yeah, give it a good test. And yeah, hopefully you like it. I find it extremely comfortable. Surprised, like I said, how comfortable something like this is, and how clear the audio is as well. Very clear, nice and clear. Makes me sound very professional, even if I did laugh. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think you agree with me that, you know, this might be something for you, whether it's for business or pleasure, like gaming. If you want to do a bit of gaming and you only want one earpiece, this could be perfect. Don't forget, you can swap it over to the other side quite easily, or very easily actually. Let me just quickly show you. Like that. Like that. And job done. Yeah, it is that easy to do. Very easy. Oh look, I've got a spike. We are swapping it around. Yeah, very easy to do. So definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for something like this and you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you want, I can say, quality or clarity of audio, this could be the baby for you. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and consider subscribing. Thanks very much for watching.